Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Yeah, there's updates that need to be made, but not a whole lot other than the first point of confirmation is I get it. It was probably a little disappointing for some that the price, did gap up this morning and started to run, and then it was rejected essentially right off that red line, the resistance that I've talked about in past videos. So, of course, that's disappointing today, but emphasis on the word today, as in 1 day. When you step back and look at multiple days, as we're doing here, and as I know I've talked about in past videos, the overall trend is still very, very clearly in the upwards direction. And, a couple of ways you could define the trend. You can use this trend line here that I've had in place for a while now, or you can use that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, or you can really use both. I mean, whatever, you feel most comfortable with. The point here being that, yes, disappointing. It was rejected by that level of resistance in that opening 30 minutes, but it's not like it was rejected and then the price, came crashing down and, there's dead bodies everywhere and people are fleeing and panicking and hide the, women and children. Nothing like that happened, right? Yeah, pulled back, but a very moderate one. And then after the pullback, actually went through a very nice consolidation period right there with this sideways price movement. So overall, the chart is still perfectly bullish, as things sit in that, big picture uptrend. As far as levels of resistance, again, nothing new to report. If anything, it would be more of an accurate term to use the word confirmation as opposed to update. So definitely confirmation that right up here around the 342-ish level, as I've talked about in the past, is indeed that level of resistance. So keep an eye on that going forward. So yes, disappointing, but by no means is he at the end of the world or anything like that. So as long as the price stays in that overall uptrend, then the bulls are in full control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.